Hi friends, today I'm going to be making ebi fry. Ebi fry is a popular Japanese dish that is breaded and deep-fried shrimp. Deep-fried dishes are favorite as you see in the Tonkatsu and Crockett. Commonly, the shrimp is coated with flour and egg wash and Panko breadcrumbs, but I always make butter for deep frying to make a light and crunchy exterior. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the shrimp. If the shrimp has not been deveined, stick the toothpick 2 mm under the back, the second joint from the tail, and pull out the vein. Then remove the shell with the tail attached. Put them in a strainer and sprinkle some salt. Rub and rinse well. Salt will clean the surface and remove the fishy smell. Pat dry and make shallow cuts on the very side. Gently press the back to straighten it up until you hear the sound of cracking. This will prevent curling up when cooked. And finally, cut off the tip of the tail. As you see, it holds the water inside in this particular area, and if you leave as it is, it will explode when you deep frying, and it is extremely dangerous. Now we are making the breading batter. Mix 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 egg white or half an egg, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Consistency is not too thick. It's like a crepe batter. Season the shrimp with salt and pepper and dust with all-purpose flour. Dip the shrimp in the breading batter and coat the entire surface with the panko breadcrumb. Dip the shrimp with your right hand and coat the panko with your left hand so that your hands will not be breaded and makes less mess. You can freeze the breaded ebi fry at this point in an airtight container for up to a month. Now let's cook the ebi fry. Heat the oil up to 180 degrees Celsius. Slowly drop your prepared shrimp in the hot oil and cook a couple of minutes until golden brown. Hover over the ebi fry for a while to release the excess oil, and this will make an extra crunchy exterior. And let's make it into an ebi fry bento. I keep an egg croquette in my freezer to make a lunchbox today. Make a small round onigiri and sprinkle with the furikake. Line the lettuce leaves and put the egg croquette first. When you pack the bento lunchbox, it is good to start with your rice and one with the main course and put side dishes from your meal prep. One thing you should keep in mind is color. Do not put the same color like yellow and yellow to one another. Pack them with yellow, green, red to make a beautiful bento. Do not leave any gaps in between. If you leave the gap, when you walk around, food will move around and it doesn't hold its shape. Look at this really cute bento. Your kids, your boyfriend or your husband, and of course yourself will have a happy lunchtime. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. and join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!